Cardano is at a very interesting point in its pricing. There's a lot that's going to go in today's prediction. There's a lot of conflicting information. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple of scenarios of where Cardano could be heading next. And with that, let's get started with the video. First things first, we are still 40 wins, 0 losses as of today with 10 trades pending. All of our current winning trades add up to 160%, beating the S&P 500 this year alone by 1,600%. We'll keep you updated on this page. We're very proud of what we've been able to accomplish here at Trade Confident. With that, let's head into the charts. Scrolling down to Cardano first, we're going to be looking at the Cardano Emotional Index. We're still sitting in neutral territory, and this tells me that the price really could go either direction at this point. Because of this, we will have to rely on other metrics, and right here from the Cardano Volatility Breakout Detector, it won't tell us direction, but the next move is very likely to be a big one. We are in low volatility, and typically when we see low volatility is when we're getting these crazy moves down like this. And historically, when we see low volatility like these places, this is where we're seeing really big moves in the market. Because of that, we should be expecting some pretty big moves coming soon. Next up, this will help us determine direction a little bit more. We have the Cardano Whale Smart Money. There's still a lot of short trade sentiment amongst whales, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if whales do begin shorting Cardano, this could be an indication of a move down. However, it's not until we get a metric value of around -600 to -800 that we're really looking for that to happen. Next up is going to be the Cardano Major Support and Resistance Levels chart. We have structure resistance at 30.51 cents with structure support as far down as 23 cents. Now, if we see a break to the upside, I think 35 cents is going to be our move, and if we drop from our current price, that's 23 cents is where we need to be looking. But as of right now, this 30.51 structure resistance is a crucial point we need to be paying attention to. Next up is going to be the Cardano long versus short trades. Long trades are still vastly higher than short trades in this market, which means Cardano is overall bullish in the long term. However, if we do see short trades continuing to increase here, this will likely be an indication of the move down happening in Cardano. It does look like there's a very slight increase in long trades though, and if we do get a sharper move up, this will result in a move up in Cardano. So this is going to be very important to pay attention to. Last but not least is the Cardano trade signals. At this point, if we move up, I do not think we're going to get a buy signal, so we will have to rely on other data, and I'll get to that very shortly. But if we get a move down, I think a sell signal could absolutely post at this point. Cardano has a long history with this metric calling the perfect tops, so if we get a sell signal here, I can almost guarantee a move down is likely. Now, if you're a Cardano trader, it is essential that you pay attention to these indicators as you trade. They're updated every day at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and on top of Cardano and 20 coins worth of metrics overall, you can get access to our future forecast videos where we show you how we just made a 6-figure trade. And you can get access to our trade setups here where we are 40 wins, 0 losses. If you want to join our membership, you can gain access at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page, and I highly recommend the full access for $59 a month because this is what's going to give you access to all those features I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Heading now into the live charts, we're looking at Cardano USD on the 1-day time frame using the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. We are seeing a lot of conflicting information just as we saw on the metrics. I would say the metrics have overall a very slightly more bullish tone to them, but overall it's pretty neutral and overall shows that big moves are coming soon. Now you're going to see structure support at 23 cents and structure resistance that we're actively testing at 30.51 cents. However, there is another structure support right here that we need to be paying attention to. This right here forms a brand new pattern in Cardano, and let me show you on the Trade Confident website what this is and how it acts. On the Trade Confident website, if you go up to metrics and down to trading patterns right here, you'll get a huge list of trading patterns. Now I'm only showing this one right here. This is an ascending triangle pattern. An ascending triangle pattern requires a horizontal structure resistance with an ascending structure support, and both should converge at some point. What this indicates is less and less volatility in the market. And typically, as you remember from the metrics, if volatility drops, an impulse move is likely to happen, and usually it will break to the upside. This is true whether it starts from an uptrend or a downtrend. We've just always found these to be bullish. And right here, we see that horizontal structure resistance with an ascending structure support. and it started from a downtrend with diminishing volatility over time. Again, just based on the pattern, this is more likely to break to the upside. Of course, there is always possibilities of a breakdown. No pattern is 100% perfect, but ascending triangle patterns do tend to be bullish. At the same time, as we near structure resistance, we see trend exhaustion is low. Most often, this will result in moves up. However, price versus whale money flow is actually fairly high. This shows whales may have oversold, and as we saw in the metrics as well, are more likely to begin short trading, selling out of the market, which of course would cause Cardano to drop in price. This is where we get conflicting signals. However, if we see trend exhaustion low and price versus whale money flow continues moving money back into the market, we're very likely to test right here structure resistance at that 30.51 cent level. And if we break to the upside, I think a move up to structure resistance at 35 cents is very likely. However, if whales begin moving money out of the market and they really do begin short trading, I think it's a straight shot down to here at 23 cents. From the current price, this is either a move up of 6% or as high as 21% if we break out, or it could mean a drop as far down as 19%. It's a really tough call here. Pretty much every coin is hanging in the balance right now. Even Bitcoin's kind of in the hot seat right now with major bearish and major bullish signs incoming. So this is a crucial point in the market. As we trade through this, you will want to pay attention to these indicators. They are absolutely crucial and would have led us to the 40-win, 0-loss streak so far in 2023. Keep that in mind as you move forward. These indicators will be essential, and if you want to get access, I can help you grab them for up to $400 off right now. All you need to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click Show More, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. I highly recommend grabbing the indicator bundle pack first, and I'll show you why in just a second. But first, I just want to show you this person made $9,000, almost $9,000, with their account up over 39%. This person earned 16% with us, $950 today, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days, and so on and so forth. These indicators are insane, and if you want to get access to all of our indicators for $400 off, go ahead and click the indicator bundle pack first. Click I want this right here. Fill out your information. Click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay, and you are good to go. We are seeing slightly more bullish sentiment in Cardano simply based on this pattern. However, if whales begin tanking in the market here, it's very likely we're going to drop to structure support at 23 cents. We are seeing trend exhaustion is low, showing that we are more likely to see moves up as well. And if whales begin moving money back into the market, a straight shot up to 35 cents is possible. Either way, you're going to want to pay attention to these indicators, especially the price versus whale money flow, as this is really what's guiding the market right now. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.